Hello, this is a super update. I want to show you this morning. How are you doing? Welcome to this channel where we show you business ideas and I suppose some businesses and some latest opportunity you can take care of. Okay, on this trading, I am showing you a killing that I just got made. As you can see from here, this is on day one. I got this opportunity from this point. Yes, I got this from that point. I catch it up from there. As you can see on the green line where the market is right now, you can see I've made some good progress on this issue. Is practical, and I'm thinking that the stock is going to go downwards more to hook up with this. Yes, to hook up to this one here. I think so. That's where we're going to be having the resistance. Okay, that's where we're going to be having. So, having said so, I want to show you the whole thing so that you can see what actually I am doing right now. Okay, you can see what I'm doing, what I am doing right now. You can see it. Okay, yes, you can see from here what is the killing. As you can see from here, I'm currently making about 100 something k from here. 100 something k. You can see this one 30k, 29k. You can see 27. You can see 27. These are killings, live trade. As you can see, is going right now. I hope you're seeing it. It's awesome. It's moving. It's going. This is a killing. If you want to learn how to do this kind of stuff, I urge you to check out the description and the comment section. On the comment section, let me see your comment killing, and it's going to be contacted on how to go about it. Okay, I want to thank you so much for watching this, and look out for a new video will be releasing. That is why you need to put on your notification bell and subscribe to this channel so that you can be one of the first to know when we release a new video. I want to thank you so much, and believing that you are highly motivated, seeing this kind of result. This is awesome result. 112 on profit. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you very much, and do have a blessed day. Bye bye.